Hi, this is Mitch Horowitz. I'm speaking to you from the library of the Philosophical Research Society, where I'm giving a talk tonight in celebration of the 15th anniversary of my first book, Occult America. If it weren't for PRS, Occult America never would have gotten written. This organization opened its doors to me in 2005, and so much else happened thereafter. Other people have these stories as well, and that's why I'm asking you to contribute as generously as you can in this season of giving to the Philosophical Research Society. It is one of the only non-affiliated spiritual search centers in the United States. It's open to people of all backgrounds, persuasions, and beliefs to engage in the search. It also plays an extremely important cultural role, bringing together people from the Southern California area and, in fact, from different parts of the world. The fact that the Philosophical Research Society is a spiritual growth center based in an urban area also makes it a unique and important presence on the American scene today. PRS has been with us for a long time. It's not only a beautiful campus, but it's a campus that nurtures the search, broadly defined, and I ask you to give generously. Thank you.
Please consider making a donation and visit prs.org for more information.